Welcome to our latest episode where we're diving into the top 7 blind spot detection systems for safer driving. Ever wondered how you can make your drives safer and stress-free? We've got you covered with the latest in car safety tech. So buckle up as we explore these game-changing gadgets that promise to keep you and your loved ones safe on the road. Let's get rolling. The journey through the world of blind spot detection systems begins with the CRIMESTOPPER Universal Blind Spot Detection System. This system embodies a perfect blend of technological innovation and user-friendliness. Its sleek design integrates seamlessly into any vehicle, enhancing not just safety but also the aesthetics of the car. The system's sensors are discreet yet powerful, capable of detecting vehicles in your blind spot with exceptional accuracy. What sets the CRIMESTOPPER apart is its universal compatibility. Whether you're driving a compact car or a larger SUV, this system adapts effortlessly. The installation process is straightforward, allowing for a hassle-free setup. Once operational, the intuitive nature of its alerts ensures that drivers of all skill levels can understand and react appropriately to the warnings. Durability is another cornerstone of the CRIMESTOPPER. Built to withstand various weather conditions, from scorching heat to freezing temperatures, this system is a reliable companion for every journey. Its high-quality materials resist wear and tear, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. Feature-wise, the system includes visual and auditory alerts that are neither too intrusive nor too subtle. The balance is just right, providing drivers with the necessary information without causing unnecessary distractions. Furthermore, the system's sensitivity settings can be customized, which means you can adjust it to your driving style and preferences. Next on the list is the GreenYi Blind Spot HD Camera Kit. This product takes a slightly different approach to blind spot detection by incorporating high-definition cameras. The visual clarity offered by this system is remarkable, providing drivers with a crystal-clear view of what's lurking in their blind spots. The design of the GreenYi is modern and minimalistic. The cameras are small and unobtrusive, ensuring that they don't interfere with your vehicle's appearance. The installation process is a breeze, and the system integrates smoothly with most car displays, offering a high level of convenience. In terms of usability, the GreenYi excels. The live feed from the cameras activates automatically when you signal to turn, eliminating any guesswork. This feature is particularly useful in busy urban environments where cyclists and pedestrians can often be in your blind spot without you realizing it. Durability is a key feature of the GreenYi system. The cameras are encased in weather-resistant materials, making them capable of operating in various environmental conditions. This resilience ensures that the system remains effective and reliable over time. Moving on to number 3, the Audiovox Blind Spot Detection System stands out for its advanced technology and user-centric design. This system utilizes cutting-edge sensors to provide accurate and timely alerts, helping drivers avoid potential collisions. The design of the Audiovox system is sleek and modern, with sensors that blend seamlessly into the vehicle's exterior. This subtle integration ensures that the system doesn't detract from the look of your car. The installation process, while slightly more involved than some other systems, is still manageable for those with basic car maintenance knowledge. Usability is a strong suit of the Audiovox system. Its alerts are intuitive, combining both visual and auditory warnings to grab the driver's attention effectively. This dual alert system ensures that you're aware of any vehicles in your blind spot, even in noisy or distracting driving conditions. The durability of the Audiovox system is commendable. Its high-quality components are built to last, providing a dependable safety feature for your vehicle for years to come. The system is also adaptable to various vehicle sizes, making it a versatile choice for families with multiple cars. When it comes to enhancing your driving safety, the Brandmotion radar blind spot system is a game changer. This system stands out with its sophisticated radar technology, which actively monitors the blind spots on both sides of your vehicle. It's particularly notable for its seamless integration capability, making it a top choice for those who prefer a system that blends in with their car's original design. The build quality of Brandmotion is impressive, featuring robust components that withstand diverse weather conditions. This durability ensures the system remains reliable over time, a crucial factor for any safety device. Its sensors are discreet yet powerful, providing accurate detection of vehicles in your blind spots without being obtrusive. Usability is another strong point for Brandmotion. Once installed, it operates automatically, activating when you start your vehicle. It alerts you through visual indicators typically mounted on the A-pillars, and these alerts intensify if you signal a turn while a vehicle is in your blind spot, making it incredibly intuitive to use. In terms of features, Brandmotion offers more than just basic alerts. The system's radar technology is finely tuned to detect objects at various speeds and distances, giving you ample warning to react. This level of sensitivity and accuracy is what sets it apart from simpler systems.
Moving on to our fifth pick, the CarBest Ultrasonic Blind Spot Detection System, a remarkable tool for drivers seeking an extra layer of safety. Its design is both sleek and unobtrusive, blending seamlessly with most vehicle exteriors. The CarBest system uses ultrasonic technology, which is highly effective in detecting objects in your blind spots, significantly reducing the risk of sideswipe accidents. The quality of this system is notable. It's built to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring reliability and durability. Users will appreciate the intuitive nature of this system. It alerts drivers with audible and visual warnings, making it easier to respond to potential hazards. This user-friendly aspect is a huge plus for those who may not be tech-savvy. Additionally, the CarBest system is relatively easy to install, with clear instructions that allow for a straightforward setup process. The system's sensors are highly sensitive, providing accurate and timely alerts. This sensitivity is crucial for high-speed driving, where reaction time is key. It's also worth mentioning that this system is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, making it a versatile choice for drivers of different car models. And that's a wrap on our journey through the top blind spot detection systems. We hope this guide lights up your path to safer driving. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how tech can upgrade your everyday life. Drive safe and stay tuned for more exciting content.